Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have come to Skerne wetlands in East Yorkshire. It's quite a rural nature reserve. We thought we'd show you what it's like. It's a long windy road down into Skerne with a few potholes. It's a very bumpy road and
it drives you potty. So we're at the car park and there's room for about 10 or 12 cars, I would say, if they were all parked properly, but I don't think it's a very busy reserve. So it consists of 3 loops, walking trails, so you do it in 3 loops. There's a small one, medium one, then a longer one, which is the main route. We'll try all 3 and see what we get, but we suspect, as we've been in the past, that everything is at quite a distance, and especially when you're walking, they see you before you see them. But we'll do our best, see if we can get some pictures.
I mean, to be fair, we have seen quite a lot here, but it's just getting a photo of it, isn't it?
It is, yeah,
like,
yeah.
There's been kingfishers and a lot of things are flying over, aren't they?
Yeah, there's a lot of flashes of blue for the kingfishers, and then you get the marsh harriers, are quite well known here. But we'll see how it goes, and we'll see you a bit later. So there's 3 marsh harriers now flying in front of us, just in front of this stand-up hide. So we're going to see what we can get. This is a new hide since the last time we've been, and it puts you even nearer to the marsh harriers. got back to the car. We've had 2 or 3 hours of a nice enjoyable walk around Skerne Wetlands Nature Reserve. We've got quite a few different things, better than we expected. You've really got to keep your eyes peeled in the sky because there's things flying about all the time, taking off from under your feet, you can't even see them. But yeah, really enjoyable. Well worth coming to visit if you can get past the potholes. It's a really enjoyable nature reserve. There's hardly anybody around. It's nice and peaceful. Bring a picnic, packing up plenty of picnic benches and that to eat and have a really enjoyable day.
If you like this video, give it a like. And if you're not subscribed and you'd like to subscribe, please press the button.
Yeah.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.